Greetings everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a custom domain in Lovable platform. So the very first thing is you need to do is simply head over to your domain section, which looks something like this. If you cannot find it, you can head over to project settings and then domain. So click on domain and now it's time to click on add a domain you own. Now it's time to connect your domain using your uh, domain settings, and let's just say you have domain.com. Then you need to simply add your domain provider in here, whatever you are using to get that domain, whether it is Bluehost, Amazon Route, or 123rec. Then you can simply use that provider to connect in, and now just wait for a couple of seconds. In 24 to 48 hours you are going to be having your custom domain ready. So this is how simple it is. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.